Hi everyone. So I am going to have a quick giveaway. This is called a greeting card organizer, but it would actually fit like big pieces of ephemera or big pieces of scrapbooking paper. It would be a good idea to hold on to that. I figured perfect for the crafter. And then this Anna Green Gables junk journal. And I just hit 20 subscribers, and I used Calico Collage's junk journaling kit for this. It's been a while since we've seen this one, but I figured show you bits and pieces of it and remind you that I still have it. That's just to keep it fresh. I go off and keep little things like that. A dry sheet in it just to keep it smelling good. I don't like it not smelling the greatest. I'm hoping you're seeing this. And it's 2 signatures with lots of different things in it. I was trying to make sure I didn't keep it the exact same every single time. And I have a bunch of these like little coin envelope type things that I had made. My life is a perfect graveyard of buried hopes. And some of it I did on photo paper just to see what would happen. Cute little journaling card here. And then I always put my initial at the back end of it, and I put my card on there. So in case whoever gets it will know where my Etsy shop is. This giveaway is for whomever subscribes and comments below. My next giveaway will be when I get 50 subscribers. So if I make 50 right away, I'll probably go off and do another one. But this is the little giveaway kit for right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment. You have to comment in order to be a part of the giveaway. Just remember so. And please subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.